In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off domain auto-renewal on Namecheap in just a few quick steps. If you no longer want a domain to renew automatically, this is the easiest way to stop future charges and take back control of your domain settings. This is especially useful if you're letting a domain expire, moving it somewhere else, or just want to manage renewals manually. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Namecheap and log into your account using your email and password. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Domain List. This section shows all of the domains currently connected to your account, so it's the place where you can manage renewal settings, DNS, and other domain options. Now, scroll through the list and find a domain you want to stop renewing automatically. If you own multiple domains, double-check that you're selecting the correct one, because each domain can have its own renewal status. Once you've found it, look across the row for the auto-renew option. Next, simply toggle auto-renew off. When you switch it off, Namecheap applies the change automatically, so there's no extra save button or confirmation step in most cases. After that, your domain will no longer renew on its own, which means you will need to renew it manually if you want to keep it active in the future. It's always a good idea to review the expiration date after turning this off, just so you know exactly when the domain will expire. That way you can avoid losing access unexpectedly, and if you ever change your mind later, you can come back to the same domain list page and turn auto-renew back on just as easily. So that's it. Now you know how to turn off domain auto-renewal on Namecheap in a few seconds. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.